They're now listed on the Nasdaq and currently trading. We've seen Zillow try to compete with Opendoor by launching Zillow Offers. You're just seeing people, a flight to the burbs. We've seen a housing boom and a car boom. Opendoor we covered back in September. If you remember, Social Capital, Chamath, early guy over at Facebook, his next thing is he's doing all of these SPACs. And what he's doing is to Opendoor, he's saying, hey, Opendoor, I'm going to help you go public in 3 months, right? September, they announced this thing. They're now listed on the Nasdaq and currently trading. They're at about $30 a share right now. So in 3 months, right, you're going to have a lot less regulatory scrutiny. I'm going to give you $1 billion of cash of liquidity. I'm going to let your employees get, access and monetize their shares and all this kind of stuff, right? So he has a number of these SPACs that he's working on. You could have gotten in back in, September. You could have gotten in, in the high teens or more, frankly, it started to pick up steam in the low to mid 20s. But all the while you knew that the SPAC was going to work on Opendoor. You didn't know exactly where Opendoor would price. Once it's officially now trading, right? Because the deal could have fell through, which means the SPAC now, doesn't actually have a vehicle, a company to attach itself to, right? So there is some risk in there. But if you'd said, yeah, Opendoor, and I feel confident Opendoor is going to be above $20 a share, then you could have made 50% if you'd gotten in, and you very well could have easily gotten in at buying that SPAC, before this thing kind of opening. But there is some risk inherently in that process as to whether it actually closes. Opendoor, not a platform business. It is what they call an iBuyer of homes. So basically, we've seen these models with cars. They just get really good at buying, homes or in the car industry, buying a used car, fixing it up, and then reselling it, making good margin. That's what Opendoor does. They are really good at using data and market trends to buy homes, fix them up a little bit, and then flip them and make their cut. That's pretty much Opendoor. We've seen Zillow try to compete with Opendoor by launching Zillow Offers, which is Zillow's the platform. Zillow Offers is this linear buying and reselling business that Opendoor is doing. We've seen Opendoor partner with Redfin, which is like the smaller Zillow platform competitor. Lots of interesting activity in the space. I mean, you would have thought that Opendoor would be in a lot of trouble. I mean, maybe initially back when COVID initially hit, but as we've seen with the just mass exodus out of these highly dense urban populations, you're just seeing people, a flight to the burbs. And you've seen a housing boom and a car boom, which is, a great kind of overhang to all of the horrible news that is just kind of continuing to come out because of Corona. Makes sense, and I think I think Social Capital and their different SPACs have some pretty interesting deals that we'll continue to track here. Hi, this is Alex from Winner Take All. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the content. Feel free to leave a comment, ask us questions, and definitely make sure to join us on our next live stream.